Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, I'm actually uploading on for the first time in ages because I got a camera for my birthday about a month ago and I filmed about 5 to 10 videos and I hated them all. But hopefully I'll upload this one. This is a look inspired by my friend on Instagram called Judas Tape. It's this look, what you can't really see. I'll leave their handle linked down below. I fell in love with the look and I'm really liking colour at the moment, so I decided to try this one. It kind of went tits up halfway through, but I had to trust myself and trust the process, and this is what came out. And obviously this isn't a wearable look, but I'm not gonna lie, I would wear this to the pub. I'm gonna let you continue watching the video, and cheers for checking me out. Don't know if this is the right zoom, but I'm gonna work with this. So the first thing I'm gonna do with this look is I'm gonna take the milk, that's not what it's called, is it? This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in milk, and I'm gonna run it through my brows because my brows are quite dark and I want to put purple through them. And I was debating whether to glue my eyebrows down and then draw eyebrows on, but I was like, nah, I've got eyebrows, I'll just work with the ones I've got. So I'm going to run it back and forward so it like coats all the hairs. Now that I've covered my brows, I'm going to like brush it through a bit so they're not all over the shop. And then just brush them into the shape I want. It's kind of hard because I've got a slit in my eyebrows, so I really struggle with how to shape my brows. I didn't know what purple to go for, but I'm going to use my Plouise Secret Sinner, my Plouise Secret Sinner palette, and I'm going to use, oh my god, this is really difficult to show. I'm going to use this shade, the purple shade in it, what's called Addicted. And then I'm just going to like pat that onto my eyebrows and then see how that works. Oh, you are joking, I just smudged it. There we are, done one, now I've got to do the other. And now that I've like covered my eyebrows, I'm going to take a cotton bud and then dip it in some micellar water and then sort of go around the edge. Well, you could use like a makeup wipe or whatever, it's easier. I'm just going to take away the white where I don't need it and the purple where I don't need it. And I'm going to wait for that to dry because I'm going to carve them out with my foundation. But if you try and put makeup over where you've just put micellar water, it won't stick down, so I'm going to wait for that and then carve them out. The foundation I'm going to be using is the Jouer Essential joking. The Jouer why can't I say that? The Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation, and I'm in the shade Pearl. Well, I'm not in the shade Pearl because it's so pale. But I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not going to waste my favourite foundation, what matches me, even though this is a really good foundation. Just to finish this eyebrow, to add some dimension, I'm going to take the Plouise base, and this is from the winter collection. This is called Vivid Violet, and I'm going to squeeze a bit onto the back of my hand. You could use any darker or lighter purple. And then I'm going to take a small brush and then sort of run it through my eyebrow like hair strokes, so it looks like it has more depth. There we are, not a lot, just a little bit. So now that I've done that eyebrow, I'm going to go off camera and finish this one. I just had my dinner, so it's been about half an hour, but I've done my eyebrow and now I'm going to go on to my skin. I'm not really going to use a lot of primer because I'm not going out. I'm just doing this for Instagram. So I'm just going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water just to give myself a bit of moisture. Oh. Facing the wrong, absolute wrong way. How the hell do people film YouTube videos, do TikToks, film Instagram videos all at the same time? I'm filming a video and I'm doing a TikTok, and it's literally the most confusing thing. Right, I'm just gonna blend it in with my beauty blender, and yes, this is dry. I do not use wet beauty blender because I feel like it soaks up too much of the product. See the difference in the colour? The amount of stop next door. Cringe. I'm really hoping I do actually upload this video, because I've had this camera for like a month now and I've filmed probably like 5 videos and I've deleted them all because I didn't like them. Message me or comment down below on what makeup or videos you'd like to see, because I really want to start doing videos. Even if no one watches, it will be fun. Yeah, I didn't know what oh, my ears are really red. I didn't know what to film for a makeup video on YouTube, and this probably isn't what people are gonna wear out, but because I don't really do eye makeup, and when I do, it's for like either going out or for something what's gonna be like a creative makeup look. But if you'd want to see just simple makeup looks, or like my favourite products or anything like that, let me know. Yeah, I didn't know what makeup I was going to do today. Oh my god, look at my arm colour compared to my face. We just ignore that, it's just for photos. I didn't know what makeup to do today. I think I might do 2 tonight, because oh, it's 8 o'clock actually, it's quite late. But obviously Billie Eilish's new song Everything I Wanted just came out, and I was going to do a look for that, but I didn't want to film that because it's going to take hours and I don't think people would be interested. Yeah, has everyone listened to it yet? It's literally, I think it's probably the most beautiful song she's put out. I love it so much. Been listening to it on repeat for a long time. Goodbye, see you with me. And you say, as long as I am here, no one can hurt you. To start off with, this can be really like higgledy-piggledy, like way I'm gonna do this, because like as you can see, I've literally just blended it out and already my eyes are creasing. So I'm gonna start with the like inner corner and then come on to like the nose contour. So I'm going to take the bperfect times Stacey Marie Carnival XL palette. God, that was a fucking mouthful. And I'm going to use the shade Wasted. And I'm going to start by packing it into the inner corner. And I haven't set my eyes because I don't like doing that. And then I'm also going to use this shade to come into the nose contour, because obviously this is a very natural look. Yeah, because this is, it's very colourful, so I'm going to bring it onto my nose. And then I know this looks, I literally look mental right now, but I'm just doing it in stages, so I'm just going to trust the process. Now I'm going to go onto the outer corners and sort of work back into the purple. So I'm taking the beautybay EYN Bright palette, and this is the £9 one. And I'm taking the shade Make Them Wink. What is the pink? And then I'm going to blend that into the purple on my lid. Now I'm going to take the purple from that palette, and this is Purple Rain, and I'm going to blend that under my eyes to like here. I look like a mess, but I'm now taking the pink, and I'm going to blend it into my temple and then into my cheekbone. Into my cheekbone. where I'm hoping it's going to all come together and be fine. I hope so. I'm gonna go back into my Plouise Secret Sinner palette. I'm gonna use the shade Climax because it's I think it's my best yellow, to be honest. And I'm gonna blend out the pink and the purple, and it's gonna turn like orange in some areas, but that's what I want. I kind of look like a fucking maniac, so I'm just hoping when I add all the details it'll be fine. I'm just going over all the same colours. Right. What the hell do I look like? I am kind of stopped filming halfway through because I was having a breakdown because I looked like a fucking crackhead. But I'm just going to carry on and see where the wind blows. So, I've cleaned off my lids with some micellar water, and I'm going to use the Plouise base in OTT Orange. I'm hoping it's all going to work out in the end. And then over the top of that, I'm going to use the Peaches... Yeah, the Peaches Cosmetics Loose Eyeshadow in Space Hopper. And I'm just going to blend my pink into that pigment. Now I'm going to do the bit what I'm hoping is going to save this look. So I'm going to do all the like line details. So first of all, I'm going to take a white. And the white I'm taking is the Suva Beauty Space Panda, and you just wet it a little bit. I'm going to take a yellow water-based paint, water-activated paint, and then like do lines coming from my eyes. I'm going to take a water-based blue and then just do the same thing. I'm connecting the blue to the yellow. Wham, bam, bam! I actually think it's like not looking as crazy as it was because it's meant to look crazy and I've just accepted it. I just added some lashes because I was charging my battery. Now for highlight, I'm going to take the Sleek Solstice highlighting palette and I'm going to take like the pink lavender shade. Right, now finally, oh my god, I feel like this has driven me mad. For my lips, I'm not going to outline my lips, I'm going to shade an eyeshadow around them. I'm going to use a mixture of the shades Reckless and Persuasion from the bperfect palette. For the actual lipstick, I'm going to use my NYX Liquid Suede, and this is in the shade Vintage. What is it in? Yeah, in Vintage. I'm going to pack those two shades back over the top of that lipstick to make it matte. And then I'm going to add a clear gloss, and then I'm done. For my clear gloss, I'm using the MAC Lip Gloss, just the clear one. Right, and I'm finally done. If this gets uploaded to the internet, I'll be surprised. But also, I do like how the look turned out. I think I just had to have faith in the process and then just see what happened. So thank you for watching if anyone is still watching. Again, this is inspired by a look by Judas Tape on Instagram. I'll leave their handle down below. And also, if you want to follow my Instagram is KatieHollis_makeup. So is my TikTok, so go follow them if you want to see my looks. And thanks again for watching. Bye. Buggering tits. fucking cup of tea tonight.